Hello dear viewers, welcome back to my channel Cuisine Notes. Today we are making a cool and delicious dish perfect for summer which is curd vermicelli, and if this is your first time cooking, don't worry at all. I am here with you. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's gather all our ingredients. Have you ever noticed the excitement when you see fresh ingredients on the kitchen counter? It's like the beginning of an adventure. Now it's lovingly use these ingredients. Alright, let's start cooking. Now heat the pan and add 3 by 4 tablespoon oil. Did you know whenever the oil heats up, it feels like a DJ party in the kitchen. Add mustard seeds if you want. I don't prefer to add mustard seeds here, so I'm adding directly the finely chopped onion in this recipe. Add the finely chopped onion, cook them until they turn a light pink color. See, even the onions are blushing. The process of cooking onions is so therapeutic. As they turn pink, our patience gets tested too. Now add the ginger garlic paste, just less than half a teaspoon, and cook it well to get rid of the raw flavor. Remember, this step is crucial because we are creating a melody of flavors. When the raw smell goes away, that's when you know it's perfect. Next, add curry leaves, green chilies, and a pinch of hing. Can you feel the magic of hing? This step takes our dish to a whole new level. The combination of hing and curry leaves creates an amazing aroma that fills the entire kitchen. Next, add 1 by 2 cups of water and let it boil. Once the water starts boiling, add the vermicelli and cook until the water is absorbed. Watching the water boil and bubble is memorizing. It's like giving the vermicelli a hot spa treatment. Have you ever thought that cooking can be like spa therapy, relaxing and avoiding? Now, this recipe is perfect for those who are far from home, bachelors who want to cook something easy and delicious. It takes only 5 minutes to make this delicious dish. No extra time, no extra hassle, and the taste is amazing. Imagine you are in a tidy hostel, kitchen, or on your small apartment setup. This recipe will remind you of home, a bowl made with love and care that fills not just your stomach but also your heart. If you're feeling nostalgic for home, this dish is perfect for you. This dish not only cools you down but also creates. So, next step is to add salt here. I like it more salty, so I am adding more salt here. Whenever you make it, it will remind you of your home kitchen, your mom's cooking, and the love she puts into her food. This recipe is not only easy for bachelors but also perfect for working professionals after a busy schedule if you want to eat something light and refreshing. This dish is the best option, no extra time, no extra effort, and the taste is just like home. You come home tired from the office, and in just 5 minutes, you can make this tasty and cooling dish. Think about it, the coolness of the curd and the lightness of the vermicelli, a perfect combination to relax your tired body and mind. And yes, this dish is also perfect for kids. If your kids need something nutritious and tasty, then definitely try this recipe. The curd is good for their digestion and the vermicelli gives them energy. Kids are happy and so are you. You can also serve this recipe to your special occasions. When guests come over in the summer, this can be a refreshing and a unique dish. Beautiful to look at, delicious to eat, and easy to make. What more do you need in life? It seems like there's too much water in it. We need to cook it a bit longer. Look, it's almost ready. Turn off the gas before adding the curd. We need to turn off the gas while adding curd as it might curdle otherwise. Here's a tip, let the vermicelli cool down a bit. Meanwhile, let's chat. What's your favorite summer memory? Mine is enjoying cool and refreshing dishes like this one. Cooking is like life. Sometimes things get hot and messy, but with patience and the right ingredients, we can create truly wonderful. When the vermicelli cools down a bit, add our star ingredient curd, add as needed and mix well. Curd not only gives a creamy texture but also cools down the dish, making it perfect for summers. Imagine on a hot day, this cool dish feels like heaven. Friends, sometimes life is like this recipe. Each step requires a little patience, and then the end result is just perfect. Just like we let the vermicelli cool down, sometimes taking a break in life is necessary. Finally, transfer the vermicelli to a serving bowl and garnish with fresh coriander. Wow, doesn't this look beautiful? And trust me, it tastes even better. Just looking at it makes my heart happy and eating it. Ah, a celebration for your taste buds. Whenever you cook, you are creating a little bit of magic. Cooking is not just of making food, it's an art and expression. Until next time, stay cool and keep cooking. See you next time with a new recipe. Happy cooking, friends.